All right, so today I have an interesting one. This is Crataegus Mexicana, if I said that right, also known as Tejocote, also known as the Mexican Hawthorn fruit. Now, these are a palm fruit, distantly related to apples, so they kind of look like little apples. An interesting thing about these fruits is they were banned in the United States for a while until very recently. And that was because they were supposedly harbored diseases, and it was like a concern about the agriculture industry here in the United States, and they didn't want that to cross over into the United States. But I guess those concerns have been alleviated because they are now allowed in through normal like distribution channels and yada yada. But when these were banned, they were being smuggled into the United States, and it's just an interesting piece of history for this fruit. So I am excited to give these a shot because I have not had any type of hawthorn before. So I am very curious to see how these compare to other fruits, such as, you know, the distant relative apple or pears. So let's give it a shot. All right. Wow. Yeah. It has a great flavor. It's like I almost want to say like a tropical apple, like an apple and a guava. That's very good. I was reading that these are used in cooking and they absorb a lot of the flavors that are incorporated into whatever you're cooking them with. And I guess it's the main ingredient in a traditional Mexican like hot fruit punch, ponche, which I have not tried, but now that I've had these, I gotta try the stuff that they're used for, because this is good. Wow. Let me get this big one here. Oh no, I'll get this one that's got some color to it. Let's see what we got. I think I got a part of the seed. One of the seeds. Similar to apples, they seem to have like several seeds in the center. These ones look a bit maybe bigger than apple seeds though. You can see that right there in the center. They're different color from apple seeds. Let me get that one. They're different shapes too. This one's kind of angular. That is delicious. I will have to try that fruit punch. Or attempt to make it myself. I'm sure it'll be a not quite as good if I make it, but these are delicious. Okay, I'll have one more. Got a relatively larger one. Try not to get a seed. Very sweet. I like that. The flesh is sort of like an apple, but also not. I think apple's probably the closest comparison. But again, they're only distantly related to apples. But my mind wants to keep saying, you know, small tropical apple, because that's sort of what I'm getting from this. There's like apple-y notes in there. And again, I want to say guava. But these are great. If you see these, maybe cook with them, but because I think that's what they're primarily used for. But eating them by themselves too, they're delicious. I could probably polish off all these, but maybe I won't make a huge mess out of myself this time. Anyway, that's the Tejocote, or Mexican Hawthorn fruit.